everyone, it's Lalaine from Lala's Kitchen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I keep my kids occupied while we are at home on mat leave. But this could work for all you parents out there who are at home right now because you have to stay home with your kids. So I'm going to share with you what we've been doing at home as well as some meal prep ideas for the week. If you like our videos and our family vlogs, please consider subscribing. What are we looking for? We're looking for puzzles.
What's this?
What's that?
That.
Yeah, we're looking for puzzles and paint.
That.
Okay, let's go look for puzzles and paint. Puzzle? This one? The water?
What's this?
Or this one? What do you have there? What did you get there? It's in your hand. What is that?
Fork.
Oh, you want that? Maybe you ask Grandpa. Good job. Okay, put it together. I'm gonna put that in. What's the other one doing? What's Adam doing? Oh, what are you doing, Adam? Adam? Hi? What are you doing? Oh my goodness. In 10 minutes. Less than 10 minutes. Last one, last one. Wow! Yay! Good job! Did you do it all by yourself? Wow, Ethan, that's so good. Good job. Good job. Give me a high five. Yeah! High five. What do you do now? Put them together, yeah. Okay. What next?
Pop show. Pop show.
Okay, go get it. Milk break, milk break. Have a drink of milk.
That's old.
No, it's not. I just put that there.
That's old.
That's not old.
It's old.
No, that's not old. That's just water. Okay, have some milk. Milk break. Yeah, yummy milk. Okay. Did he put it underneath there? He did that?
Hey.
Okay, take it from him. Say, can I have it, please? Yeah. And then take it. Yeah, very good. Put it in his hand. Yeah, and then take your puzzle.
Huh?
Take your puzzle. There, very good. See, now he won't. Oh. It's okay. Give him another toy. Yeah. Good boy. Oh. No, you can't play with puzzles. Number 4.
Huh? A body.
Mm-hmm. Good job. And now what are you doing? And now you're in there. You don't fit in there anymore. Up, cleaning up, and on to the next. Good boy. And here's little one. Here's little one. We are watching
Play-doh.
Ethan make Play-Doh because we are done making puzzles and now we are going to do some BabyShark Play-Doh. Here's how you put BabyShark together. Put the body. Put the body like that. And put the eyes. There's the mouth. And eventually we do the whole family. See you next time. Say bye. See you next time. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.